coverage. I was as dumbfounded as you were that Naomi Cambell would be hoisted on us as some kind of emblem or symbol of Kenyanness. Because if you needed a lady with a global image, we have Lupita Nyong'o, who is an Oscar winner, no less. We could have used Lupita if you wanted someone in that space. But Eliud Kipchoge is something of, it's a global rarity. It's a global rarity. I think it's one of those people that happen once in a generation. We haven't deployed him sufficiently. And so I agree with you, Honorable Koi, that we need to do more. What I can assure you is that I want to work with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, space that I'm very familiar with, to make sure that sports diplomacy is exploited fully and that brand Kenya can actually ride on the sporting prowess and the artistic prowess of this country. We want to see many more Lupita Nyong'os on the global stage. We want to see many more Eliud Kipchoges. We want definitely to see more Victor Wanyamas on the stage.
Thank you. You have answered all of them.
Mr. Chairman, there was just the issue of corruption, and just to assure that the Kenya Kwanza government